I am now going to illustrate how to remove the cylinder body from the Elements Deadbolt, the Welcome Home Deadbolt, and the Collections Deadbolt. In order to do so, again, you'll need the Weiser 236 Builder Keying Kit, the cylinder removing tool, also known as the pickle fork, and a screwdriver if it is already installed on the door. Now keep in mind that this is the same process for the Elements handle sets. In order to remove the cylinder plug from the cylinder body, there is a silver clip here that we are going to remove in order to take the cylinder plug out. We are going to use the cylinder removing tool again, the U-shaped side, to release the plug. The clip will just slide off. Remove the plug. The clip goes to the side, and that will remove the plug from the cylinder housing. Moving on to the Welcome Home Deadbolt, in order to remove the cylinder plug from the cylinder body, we are going to use the cylinder removing tool, and you can also use a pair of tweezers. We'll turn over the body. There is a silver clip that we are going to use the tweezers to remove. Simply slides out, put it aside, remove the cylinder like so. In order to replace, we are going to simply insert the cylinder plug into the cylinder body and reapply the plug clip onto the body, like so. Moving on to the Collections Deadbolt, keep in mind that this is the same application as the Welcome Home and Collections handle set process. We are going to slide out the housing of the cylinder, turn it to the back side, and there is a black clip. We are going to use the cylinder removing tool. Simply insert the U-shaped end, pull out the black clip, set it aside, and simply remove the cylinder plug. In order to reassemble the Collections Deadbolt, we are simply going to take the cylinder plug, insert it back into the cylinder housing, turn it around, take our black clip that we have removed, insert it back on, it clips in, and put it back like so. Please keep in mind that we also have conversion kits where the actual cylinder body can be taken out and replaced with either a smart key or a pin and tumbler. Now that we have shown you how to remove the cylinder, ReKey, use the reset cradle, we hope that this has helped with your Weiser business.